Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L, stock number B9840P. 21,000 miles on this Pacifica. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group Certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Pacifica seats 7, leather interior. Snow and Go seating allows the second and third row to fold completely flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Windows do go down in the sliding doors with sunshades. Power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage all behind the third row, lots of space for cargo, or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is very easy. You can, of course, fold them in any combination, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Power sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. When they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This Touring L has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that push button start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Touchscreen display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air, as well as heated front seats. Compass, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, liftgate and sliding door controls. And HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Pacifica has a 3.6-liter V6, 287 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.